Welcome to the informative XIAOMI Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. So just by the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the app, just click here once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. So now let's just tap to OK. Apps. Now let's tap to the home button and we can see that we just renamed it successfully. If you want to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. By the same way, we can create the new screens with the folders, just we should hold and drag it here. If you want to remove the folder from the application, you should hold and drag it here to the home screen with the finger. Just hold and drag it here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.